Hey, what's up, traders? If you even asked yourself which is better, Quotex or Pocket Option, you were in the right place. I've been actively trading on both platforms and I'm pasting straight in cheese with toting profits and getting a real feel for how they work. We'll compare today both and I'll give you my personal review and of course I'll show you live trading examples from both platforms. Both platforms promise fast trade execution and a low deposit limit, just $10 to get started. The interfaces are simple and user-friendly. We'll compare the layout side by side and this video. So be patient and let's dive in. Okay. Signals indicators. Some of you ask about signals. I've covered that in my previous Pocket Option videos. Famously, the signals are only user-friendly way and for algorithmic style trading, and they don't really deliver the claimed 87 or 90% accuracy. So we'll skip this for now. Let's go for more interesting information. Trading indicators, we'll explore them in the trading session, but spoiler, they're nearly identical on both platforms. The real difference lies in the usability and customization. Let's check out the bonus offers. Quotex offers a standout 30% bonus on the first deposit. If you use my promo code Dawit on Pocket Option, you can get up to 60%, as you know, which is literally double. Let's see the auction for mobile. Google Play, that is good, but App Store, it's still unavailable. Let's jump to platform now. As I can say before, 30% for first deposit. This is bonus program, which is okay, but not 60, right? The good things that they also have tournaments, what you can pick for $1, can even for free entry. That's a nice touch for beginners who wants to test themselves with a little to no risk. Well, that is a good auction. Regarding trading, let's do like this. I will compare the same pairs, but now let's share the withdrawals, auction and deposit bonus. Deposit auctions, sorry. All the options what I need Quotex have, but as I can see, it's not that much like Pocket Option. Pocket Option offers more deposit auctions and even more importantly, no deposit fees. Now the critical parts, withdrawals. After this, let's go to withdrawals now. Here we can see withdrawals was important. 3 business days on Quotex, which is the same like on Pocket Option, but to be honest with you, Pocket Option is much faster, as my colleagues say, as I try, especially for small deposits, even big deposit for me, it's during one work day. Well, as I know, the Pocket Option is faster with withdrawing your profits, which is important for me. Okay, let's go back to trading auction of this platform and try it out. The interface feels a bit old school, to be honest, reminds me of MetaTrader forward. PB5. The number of trading instruments is sinora clicta, commodities, stocks, forex, of course. Well, some markets may be closed depending on the time. I try to select multiple pairs. Okay, I want to pick this one. Honestly, the way the interface handles, it's a bit clunky. Do not understand how to pick these pairs and put it to my workspace. Now to show you that here the maximum is 93%, which is a bit bigger than maximum on Pocket Option. It's not a big problem for me. Well, now for me the biggest problem, how to put these pairs to my workspace terminal. As you can see in my previous video on Pocket Option, you just click the stars and you already have this. But here, I don't understand. Anyway, the goal is to check the expiration time, check the just to hit it, To make this test clear, I will pick one pair on the Quotex and will open some trades on demo account. And now I don't have a real account, but I think it's the same. USD and Canadian dollar. Let me pick this pair. And I will do the same on Pocket Option later. Let's check the interface a bit. Oh, light mode exactly. Twilight exactly. Full night is okay, but still not wow for me. I finally picked the pair. Still don't know how to put more pairs on my workspace. If you know, leave the comments below. As I say, the same amount of indicators. I will pick my standard Oranger band, 8 and 2. And I want to remove middle line. And I can't remove my middle line, which is kind of critical for me because, to be honest, I need it for my strategy because my middle line usually is EMA. Well, it's not good news, but it's okay. Let's continue the experiment. Let's do the second indicator as moving carriage. Where's the moving? Yes, here in the moving carriage. Let's pick EMA type. Period 8. Okay, let's make it big like this and change the color. Okay, that looks ugly for me, guys. I'm sorry. Next to PO, the style feels like old school and not really my type. Also, I don't like this part. You see that indicators here. Well, let's check here. 5 second 10. Okay. Expiration time. Standard. That's good. I want to try on 5 second and on 1 minute today. So as I said, USD Canadian dollars. It will be our test pair. And maybe it's just my opinion. I just don't feel comfortable to trade. It's a great demo account. I can risk here. I even can use all the demo account. This is good auction, I think. I will ask for more if I will need more test. By the way, Quotex give you on demo just 10k and Pocket Option will give you 50k. It's possibly a bit difference. Well, okay, I did have some profits. Let me open another one and another one. Here I got the mobile version. I don't have Android. I do have iPhone. And anyway, I'm usually trade on desktop version, but to be honest, Pocket Option also don't have iOS application. Well, here the same for both platforms. Well, as far as I see, that it's a bit slower than Pocket Option about explorations, but it's not critical, to be honest. I can trade. If interface is better, I can trade here easily. I'll open also for 1 minute now to check. 5 seconds, a bit slower. Which for me, 1 minute is okay, but 5 second scalping I prefer on Pocket Option. Okay, now trying my impulse sniper strategy here. Here you can see all the trades what we did. Okay, impulse sniper, 5 second. Yes, boss. You know, also, what's really take it in this platform is the sound. The sound is really ugly. The sound desires of Quotex. Please change something with this, because the first what I want to do is remove the sound. Really, it's really irritated and ugly. I'm sorry, it's just my opinion. Oof. Well, the trading on Quotex was not good, but I think it's just my mood about this platform. It's very personal. I don't know, but it's not critical. That the good is that this demo account. I think that if it's my real money, I'll be more careful. Let me do my conclusions after we trade on Pocket Auction, and in the end, we will do some pros and cons. Let's start from beginning, like from the scratch. First of all, this is my platform. This is all on here, looks good for me. Let's check it bit website again. So the second same beginning, this is the same options, but here you can see that they have much more options for desktop, for mobile. They have even Telegram bot. It's basically also for algorithmic trading, somewhat using, but you can find the reader on this channel how I tried before. The first of all is interface, the bonus system, and who I just trade now. This is my real money here. Here I'm trading daily. You can see on my Telegram channel, especially my private Telegram channel, daily stations. So for me, of course, this platform is more mine. As I say before, that you can see that I can pick the different pairs. Just click one star an interface, and I will have it on my channel. Also, they have challenges, tournaments, bonus system, promo. Everything the same, actually. Everything the same. A design is a bit better. It's a native platform, and I want to see innovative design. That's all what I say about the picking pairs. You see, this is much more easy. The same instruments here. Okay, let me just show you how I did the same indicators and what I really love about this. For example, you see, Bollinger Band, easy. The same settings. And here is important for me, I just removed middle line. I will show you now why. Because we'll have Moon and Carriage. I'll also pick the same settings, GMA. And now, voila, for my strategy, this is very important to have moving carriage, like my middle line. Well, let's open the same trading, but less. Okay, USD Canadian dollar. Let's pick the same pair and start the experiment. Okay, let's buy. And here I can see the response time. It's faster, you know? It's really faster. Now, but just let me open another couple of trades and you will see. You can put this video on slow motion if you want to check. For me, it's really like maybe just my own feeling about this platform. I don't think it's a good idea to sit with the timer now, but I can feel it. The dynamic of my scalping here is much higher. The trades open faster. Let's also put 1 minute. Maybe it's psychological, but I feel more in control here, you know. You also can try both. Open demo account, platforms, and just try it. It's my honest opinion, but I'm in trading more than 10 years, so you can trust a bit. Yeah, the same social trading, actually, as I know that Quotex still have social trading, which you also can use to learn from another traders. The same pair, but I feel more control here, and my results is better. and I feel just more comfortable here. All right, time to wrap up. Quotex Pros, good for minimalists. Solid bonus program, 30%. Fun, love and take tournaments. What else? This same amount of instruments and indicators. Quotex cons, slower withdrawals, clunky interface, which is really for me, that's my feeling, but this is my personal user review, and limited mobile access. Pocket Auction Pros lets us the fast withdrawals, which is proven by me as well. Same day. You can watch the video about withdrawing on Pocket Option on this channel. Really much better interface for me. More instruments in customizations and more user-friendly indicators customizations. This was really true for me. Also, they have social trading, also tournaments, achievements, a lot of promo and bonuses, and this is also important, up to 60% bonus with my promo code Pocket Auction Cons. Interface might feel overwhelming at first. Still expanding IRA step, I'm waiting to try, and we're still waiting. Which one should you choose? If you're just starting out or want fast customizables, trading with parts and rewards Pocket Option ways for. Use my promo code Dawit during registration to get up to 60% bonus on your first deposit. All links are in the description in pinned comment. Just make sure to register using my links to activate your bonuses. If you want more bonus, message me directly to my Telegram channel. Subscribe this channel, my Telegram channel. Message me to come to our private group in my VIP channel on Telegram. Well guys, and leave the comments and put the likes in comments. Just feel free saying that it is a good review or no, you're not right. Also give me idea about new topics, maybe which platform you also want to check, and I'll do it for you guys. Stay sharp, stay informed, and see you in the next video.